Okay, 6S. 6S, I'm going to explain what is this 6S. 6S is basically, this is my research. I have my two hero in my life. I analyze to them and I see how come they are very unique people. So I found they are not different, they are same like us. But why they two very unique? Why? And this is my belief, everybody can do unique, because one property of the father is go to the son, the guy, the God is my father. So one his property is come to everybody, all his son. And who understand this property and make it profession or work on it, only be success. This is my belief, and my two hero, they prove it also. So the 6S I'm going to explain, and how you can use in your life also and make something very different. It will help you to make you brand. Suppose you have a product, you want to make it brand, it will help you there also. Or you are a speaker, or you have some unique quality you want to send to the world, you can do it. Okay friends, my name is Samresh Kumar Nishad. I am a writer, trainer and the life coach, motivational speaker. By profession, I am engineer. I work very long in corporate, more than 32 years. 8 years I run my own IT company. So I decided whatever I learn, actually I am the product of society. I learn many things from the society. So this is my responsibility. What I learn, I share to the society. And now the virtual world, means the internet world, is very powerful. And this time the coronavirus is going on, I am totally free. Then I decided why not to make the video. So I am making the video. This is called the keynote video. I have a 10 topic I am talking about. One topic is the success, one is the finance and the investment, because I am very good at the investment. My main earning is from the investment. And the health I also worked 10 years, and the IT. So I am around 56 now. So many things is with me to share with you, and that's why I'm creating this video. So I'm going to explain only and only your own creator plan, only and only your own created plan, and the action will give the unique result. It will give the unique result, and this result actually is nothing making you brand or make your product brand. So how to reach to this own plan? Acha, this plan will be very unique, because in this world everybody is unique, and everybody can create their own plan to make himself brand, to make himself brand. So there are the 6 steps. There are the 6 steps which make you the branding. Okay. So 6S, I'm going to tell the first S. What is the first S? You go to the college or you go to the university. You listen to your professor. Why you are listening to the professor? Because it's important for you. It's important for you, that's why you're listening. Listening is important. Listening is very important. But it's not too much important, not so much important. It's not important. It's important, but not very important. Very funny. So listening is important, but not very important. Then what is the important? What is the important? Important is going to the second S. Okay, when you are listening, you receive from here, is go from here. What is the use? No use. You listen in such a way from here, it should go to your head. It's go to your head. Otherwise, no use. So, going to your head, a message received to your head, that is important. That is important. Because the brain is very powerful. So this message go to your brain is important. But this is also not very important. This is not very important. Because what is the brain? Brain is something like a road. The car is going, truck is going, two-wheeler is going, bus is going, everything is going and coming. So this message go to your brain, what is the use? Is going to your brain is important, but not very important. Then what is the important? Then we are coming to the 3S. So, when you are listening from your ear, and it's reached to your heart, means some message, you knock your door, heart door, and penetrate there. Then this message is important. What your heart is listening, what your heart is receiving, that is important. I told you the brain, going to the brain, then after this it will disappear now. What is the use? But something go to your heart and it touch your heart, mate, it will be resigned there. Means it's receiving, because that is your liking. You do what you love it, what your heart is receiving. Your heart is touching the things. That is the, you are made for that unique thing. That one you make as a profession. What you love, you do the same thing. Because you have to do the less effort and you will give your best. So, once it is to your heart, that is important. Head is no use. The heart touching, the 3S is very important. It's important, but no use. It's not very important also. Everything I'm saying important, then no use, important, no use. But it's true. What to say? So heart is receive is important, but not very important. This is also not very important. Then what is the important? Important is after receiving the message in the heart, then heart will do massage of this message inside the heart and create a new thoughts, a new idea, one new creative things, something very new. And that thought, if you tell to somebody, they will say, what is this? Really? Can? When a person, other person starts saying, I never heard about it. But thing is, why that thing is come with you only? because you are unique. So, like example, when you have a milk or yogurt, when you do the grinding this one, then the what you say is butter will come out. Same thing. When the thought will go to the heart, when the message go to the heart, it generates the thoughts. This thought is important. This is the forest. It's not give the thought, what is the use? So, what the heart is generate the thoughts and this idea which you make you unique. That is important. But that is also not important. This thought is also not very important. Be patient, be patient. I'm coming to the point. You will understand why I'm telling all this thing. This thought is also not very important. Until this thought is not goes to your mind, means it transfer from your heart to your mind. The passing this thought from heart to the mind is important, because mind is do the lot of manipulation and the calculation. And when it calculate everything, it make a stack plan. It means how your idea will be processed. So it generate a plan, and this is the revolutionary plan, and this is your own plan. This is your unique plan. I told you in the starting of the thing, your own plan will make you brand. This your own plan will make you brand. So after receiving this, your brain start working, then create a plan. And that time you cannot stop the brain, because this plan, this thought is a fire. It's a fire of your heart. If you want to stop it, you cannot stop it also. And never ever try to stop it, this one. And this is called the unique plan. So this plan is important. This plan is important, but plan is important. This is also not important. This is also not important. This plan is important, but not very important. Come to the 6S. 6S is important. I think you people are very frustrated why I'm saying this is not important, that is not important, this is not important. Yeah. The number 6 is the last, is the important. And that one is called the execution of the plan. Means you can say the action. And this action, execution plan will give the action, it will give the result. Action will give the result, and that result is what? The brand. Your branding. People will recognize you. People will recognize your product. That this product or this person is the brand. What he says something very different. Because you are using unique plan, you execute a unique plan, you will get the unique result. That plan only you have. What the people want? Hey, you say that I know this Buddha. I know the Abraham Lincoln. Or you take some great people in this world. Hey, this one, this one. What the people will say. Then so what? I also know what. Then so what? Until you now say something unique, you are not giving the product to the society. Or you give something unique thing. So this is the 6x. Actually, if we see all the 5x is not important, actually is important and is helping to the 6. Is helping to the 6. What I say not important, not because if you not take the action, what is the use? But the thing is, take action for the unique thing. Unique thing. In this word, the people you do the unique, they become brand. What the other thing you do some better way, they say okay na. They say okay na. Okay, you do some better na. What special thing you do? People are looking for the uniqueness. People is not looking for the competition. People are not looking, and when you go for the competition, is the branding is very tough. You go something unique, you become brand very fast. This 6S is my many years of the research and the analysis. Then I come to this conclusion. Okay. I am the person who believe document beat conversation. Document beat conversation. Talk, so no use. Prove it now. When you're saying this six plan, this plan, 6S, what is the guarantee? So that's why document beat conversation. My two hero is follow the same method. I am the man of two country. I born and brought up India. My national father is Gandhi, Mr. Gandhi. Gandhi is a unique person. Fight without arms. Fighting with the arms is a very common one. Fight without arms. That is the thing. How come this thing will come to his mind? Because it's come from his heart. It's come from the heart. And he is my national. I am the son of that. I say I am the man of two countries, India and Singapore. So my second father, our national father, Mr. LKY, Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, great man. 1960 when he received Singapore. Singapore is something like everywhere is the mud is there. Just 40 kilometers long, one city, no natural resources. How can he make such a beautiful Singapore and attract me also to come Singapore? Because these people have their unique plan. These people, personality, they follow their heart. And they make a unique plan and they execute, they take the action. And you will be surprised, this both guy is a lawyer. They are graduated from London. So, do you think if the Lee Kuan Yew will follow to some other leader, this one, he can make this Singapore? No. 35 years he was the Prime Minister. I think 35 something. Recently he passed away. Such a beautiful country. One thing, give the idea, security. He is giving the best security in this world. So all the talent is coming here. And they are working for the Singapore economy. Security. Uniqueness. That fellow is the non-violence. And if you analyze, they use their unique idea, unique plan. Mr. Gandhi, unique idea, unique plan. And famous all over the world. And Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, unique idea, unique plan, own plan, and he take the action. Both they take the action and teach the world. And these two people are the unique, and no other person is like this. So, who is success in this world? The person is success in this world who know to yourself. If you know to yourself, then only with success, then you will know what is the God is giving as a gifted, and that one you make your profession. That one you make a profession, definitely you will be success. Don't follow the other people plan or this one. But you should be very good observer, see everything and see which one, something will touch to you and make you very unique in this world. So I give the testimonial also for and the justification what I'm saying the success. You try it, I'm very sure you will be success. And if you want to discuss more about this one, you just WhatsApp to me. I can meet you. I can meet on the chat, or if you are in Singapore or coming to Singapore, you can meet me. I can meet you. Or you can chat, any part of the world you can chat. For these two people, if you ask me to speak 7-8 hours, I can speak. 7-8 days also can speak. They are my hero. Hero is not that who play a role of hero in the movie. Hero is the people who change the world, who give the lesson to the world, who give to the society. What the Lee Kuan Yew is done, make a fruit, I am eating what. So I hope this, you just think about this 6S. Definitely it will work for you. I am very sure. I'm very sure. But you have to do something very unique, and you are unique. And everybody unique in this world. This video will sure just think. This is my contact. My number is 923-92490. This same number for the WhatsApp. This is Singapore number. I am staying in Singapore. You can email me, mail@samreskumar.com, and you visit my website. I am loading many video because this coronavirus I am very free. So I am making lot of video, and my video have many category, more than 10 category. I work very long in the health also, as I told. So I am loading that one also. And you go to my Facebook, something you like, or give your comments. What is the thing, your question, just write there. So I will give the answer. So just keep on watch. I am releasing, I think every day I reach one video. I am going to release video for the coronavirus. My topic is the World War III. Coronavirus is World War III. Okay, thank you very much for giving your time. I am going through my video.